Building a comprehensive cash flow and balance dashboard has never been this easy. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our financial data. Simply click Import Data and select your file. The upload completes instantly. Now click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our cash flow data, identifying key patterns and trends. It's automatically generating multiple visualizations, including net cash flow over time, weekly balance trends, interest versus fees analysis, cash inflows versus outflows, and loan disbursements tracking. The AI is also creating a comprehensive monthly summary table. Our comprehensive cash flow and balance dashboard is complete with 5 interactive charts and 1 detailed table. Now we can customize the theme with just one click. Let's switch to presentation mode to see how this looks for stakeholders. In presentation mode, you get a clean, professional view perfect for meetings and reports. Every chart is fully interactive, allowing you to hover for detailed insights and drill down into specific data points. You can easily navigate between different visualizations and present your financial story with confidence. Exiting presentation mode brings us back to the full editing interface where we can make adjustments, add filters, and explore our data interactively. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.